Alright, now what I want to share with you today is 7 steps. Okay, basically, especially with Easter just being over last weekend, the last thing you probably want to do is see another chocolate, and you may be feeling a couple of kilos heavier, a bit more bloated, and a little bit more sluggish than what you were this time last week. So here's the game plan for you. Follow these 7 steps to get you back on track, or even if you haven't been doing anything lately, to help you start off on the right track. Okay, this 7-step plan. First step, follow the DPM food plan. Okay, 3-day detox is what it's called in a nutshell. Basically, it's taking out processed food for 3 days, just focusing on meats, vegetables, fruits, that type of good, healthy, nutritious stuff, nuts and all that type of stuff. Okay. Step 2. Follow the carb cycling plan that's laid out as part of that detox plan. Now, you don't have to go carb-free, strictly carb-free, okay? You can if you like. I find it's a bit harder. The way we do it at DPM is have a carb hit on day 4. So you go carb-free for the first 3 days. The only carbs you're getting are from your fruits and veg, the natural stuff. Day 4, have a carb hit. Your body responds better, okay? And it's going to save you from a binge down the track. All right, step 3, planning your cheat meals for the week ahead. Now, part of our game plan, we say you can have a maximum of 4 cheat meals each week. You can drink alcohol if you want to. You can have pizza, bread, whatever, cake, whatever your go-to is, whatever your weakness is. You can have that. Plan them out so you know when they're locked in. Okay, that way you've also got something to look forward to help you keep you on the straight and narrow. Step 4. Do enough exercise, but don't overtrain, okay? You don't have to exercise every day. You can exercise too much. The way I recommend as part of our formula is 3 short workouts a week, and then you do as much walking as you can. That's also as much for the health benefit as for clearing your head and having some time to yourself, okay? Step 5. Sleep as much as you can. Now, I know as a busy parent, that's not always going to be easy. There's always the call in the middle of the night or whatever you've got to attend to, or disrupted sleep. So make the most of what you can. Now, be smart about it. Obviously, we'd all love to get 8 hours a night, but I know for myself that's not possible. But take what you can get. If it means going to bed earlier and missing out on a show or whatever, you can always catch up later. Step 6, have a stress release. Okay, now for you, find something that you like doing. For me, at the moment, I'm really into walking, so just getting out, putting on the headphones, listening to a podcast, and just going for a walk and just getting out there in the fresh air, get some downtime for myself, because you've got enough other things running around, just like you, I'm sure. But, whatever it is for you, if it's having a bath, just when the kids go to bed, just get in there and soak away. If it's a massage, whatever it is, read a book, find some downtime that's going to unwind you and stop your brain from thinking about everything else that's going on there normally. And the last step, step 7, is get someone on board to help you. Now, whether it's your partner, whether it's your friend who's sitting next to you, whether it's, your neighbour, get them on board so they're supportive, so they're not always asking, why are you wasting your time doing this, right? Safety in numbers is the old thing, okay? And the other thing, if you're finding like you need a bit of extra support, call an 8-step if you wish. That's where I come in, okay? The accountability that someone like myself can provide, for whether it's in the personal training, small group sessions, or online sessions, online coaching, that's the key to success. Having someone to be accountable to, okay? So if that's something you're interested in and you're looking for a bit of extra accountability for the next 6 weeks, I've got a short little tune-up personal training package that may be something that you'd be interested to hear about, okay? I've only got 2 spaces for this. If it's something you are interested in, comment under this video and then I can shoot you a message and we can start a chat about it, organise a time to have a chat and see what we can work. Okay, we can do it in Sydney CBD, the Inner West. If there's other areas, let me know where you are. The lower North Shore as well could work, but yeah, we can have a chat and see if we can get something sorted for you. But yeah, if you've got any questions, put them under the video. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Daniel, over and out.